Meanwhile, another stock we're watching, shares of Digital Acquisition Corp, DWAC, surging this morning after the SEC announced it settled fraud charges brought against the company. Now, DWAC will pay a penalty of $18 million, I should say Digital World Acquisition, should it succeed in taking Trump Media and Technology Group public as part of the agreement. So I guess the market's seeing that they've put a problem behind it now.
Well, they still have to close on the acquisition. Yeah. Okay, so just to explain what this appears to be all about. The way that a special purpose acquisition company works, a SPAC. You form the SPAC, and then you figure out what you're going to buy. As far as I understand it here, what the Securities and Exchange Commission is alleging here is that it sounds like that DWAC made misrepresentations before it went public, that it hadn't yet had discussions with anybody. So DWAC says, I'm filing to go public. We haven't talked to anybody yet. This is the kind of company we'd like to talk with. The SEC says, well, actually, you already had been having discussions with Truth Social, the Trump media company, beforehand. And so you were lying in these documents. So now the settlement will happen, and DWAC will pay $18 million
for the penalty
if it indeed closes on this acquisition of Trump Media and Technology. So that's kind of the mechanics for it, of the whole thing. September 8th. Is the deadline, unless shareholders vote to extend the deadline again. It's already been extended several times.
So
all right. It is a little bit of a TBD.
It is. It is.
The shares are obviously
the shares
up
are definitely rising based on that, you know,
They've
and maybe it's a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of situation.